Trade success checklist, winning trades.
So with your trade success checklist, let's jump over to that. What would we want to do here with this? Because I want to give you actionable advice no matter what level you're at. And understand that later, and the more times you use this, you'll begin doing it in your head. You won't need this. But I still recommend you review it from time to time, because this is the exact process that goes through my mind when I pull up a chart, and it just happens like that. But when you're new, you have to build those neural pathways. So is there a green arrow if you're evaluating a long trade? And yes, there are bearish signals also. There would be the opposite, obviously. Is there a green arrow, early reversal indicator, which indicates a bullish reversal where buyers are in control? And so if you see a green arrow there, then you would check that box. Trade success score, 1. Is 1 enough? No. Is 2 enough? Usually. So in this example, and I'm using this because it's simple, it's not live, we're not flashing lights and going to distract anybody. So we also have a couple other things happening here. And the second thing I look for, and we'll come back to that buy block, is the trend strength indicator. This is a momentum indicator that Joe created, and essentially you want to look for when it turns from red to green. Now yours might look a little differently out of the box. All of these are you can change in the settings. I change it to like a chevron, but when it turns from red to green, that's important. But the trigger is, does it get above the 20 line? And for years and years, many of the indicators, that's what they use. The overbought and oversold areas, 80, 20. So that's nothing new for many of you. Point being, on this one, yes, it was. So you guessed it, check the box. What do we have? We have a trade success score of 2. Often, especially in a bullish environment, I'll be getting into a trade there. I'd like to see 3 or more, but you guys can make that determination. And the key there is not to go all in. Successful traders build positions over time, and that might be like by half here and half later, or a quarter now, quarter later. But if you get into the trade, that would be enough. And then add to the trade as the other signals start to align. And so we had, and it even says here, use with the TSI for confirmation. Next one, is that trend strength indicator turning up and above the 20 line and out of the green zone? This indicates a new bullish cycle where buyers are in control. Hey, this is Brett from Moonstream. If you'd like to learn more about our pro trading signals or our live classes every Wednesday or our Retire Rich program, go over to moonstream.io/start.